So welcome to this tutorial on personalized learning, which is the methodology that allows you to have more one-on-one teaching with your individual students, more one-on-one between the students and each other, a better chance to redo work, a better chance to ultimately master the content, which is always the goal. So you're going to have to make a lesson plan. You're going to have to do certain things such as the goals. You're going to have to come up with a tutorial video which you're going to link. The tutorial video is going to be made in Screencast-O-Matic, which is a free online device, and you're going to learn how to do that. You're going to have to make a Google form which is going to show that your students know what was in the video, and it looks something like this. And you'd ask them a series of questions, and you'd check an Excel spreadsheet in Google and G Suite, which would show it. You're going to maybe have to do some more details, such as in my example, where the kids are going to actually write an essay, and so I have the steps that they're going to have to take, which is going to help the students, and then they're going to turn in a final product. So you're going to have to come with an actual example, such as I did. And in the end, you're going to learn a lot of new technology and hopefully consider different ways to teach. Good luck.